So I'm going to follow the theme of breaking the rules here. Okay. So we talked about Ben Graham did that, Warren Buffett. So almost everything in my portfolio, not all of it, but most of it scores a 12 or above on my framework, which literally means why don't I own this? So the one, I don't own it yet, but you asked the one we'll be buying. So the one I'm going to buy, I have some rules because my work for the Motley Fool about when I can buy and when I can't, but is Upstart. Upstart is a company that basically it's kind of a black box. They've got a lot of artificial intelligence that basically the elevator pitch is they're trying to replace FICO. And right now they're focused on personal loans to do that. It scored poorly on my framework, one, because it's really hard to know how effective artificial intelligence is in terms of its advantage over someone else's artificial intelligence. Like I'm not an engineer or a computer scientist or a data scientist, so like I don't completely understand it, but the results convinced me there's something there. The big risk had to do with concentration risks. And the more and more time I've spent thinking about it, especially concentration risks from their partnership with Credit Karma, which is owned by Intuit, the more and more I'm convinced that I feel comfortable with it. But I'll also put out there that I still am aware of that risk. And so I'm going to position that accordingly. Like I'm not going over 1% of my portfolio with this, but that is the stock that I will be buying. It scored a 7, so it's still investable. It's still in that anti-fragile portfolio on stock card because of that. But usually those aren't the first to make it in. This one I've given some thought to, and so I'm going to break my own rule there.
Wow, rule breaker for life. That's good. That's excellent. I love it.